Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the controller and console are paired and the flashlight is bound to a convenient button. This saves time mid-game. Once done, place the flashlight into a quick access item slot so you can cycle to it instantly. Make sure to test the input mapping in a private match to confirm the command responds without delay. Doing these actions now prevents fumbling under pressure and establishes muscle memory for using the flashlight fluidly when a chase begins. You need to read the killer's animation and flash at the last possible moment to interrupt their lunge. Timing is everything. Once you see the wind up, aim slightly above the head because console camera sway and latency can shift your beam. Make short, intentional bursts instead of holding the flashlight. This conserves battery and keeps your aiming precise. Also, practice strafing while flashing to maintain distance. This combination increases the likelihood of a successful. You finish encounters by immediately vaulting or sprinting away after a successful blind to capitalize on the killer's stagger. Hesitation costs you. If your flashlight input occasionally doesn't register, remap the button or adjust controller dead zones and sensitivity, then retest in a private match. Once done, rehearse full rescue sequences with teammates in low-latency private lobbies so you understand timing under ideal conditions. This practice helps you transfer those reactions to public matches where things are less predictable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.